Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to resize a design in Canva, both for free user and Canva Pro. At first, go to Canva and open the design you want to resize. If you are using Canva free, go back to your Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose your new size. Now go to your old design and select everything, then copy and paste it into your new design. You might need to adjust a few things, but it works. If you have Canva Pro, at the top of your design, you will see a button that says Resize. This is a Pro only feature. Click it and you can choose from popular sizes like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover and more. Once you pick the size, click on Resize to change it directly, or click the copy and resize to keep the original and make a new version. That's it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.